Hello friends, welcome to Techno Funlogy YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to tell you the 100k blueprint review as well as the information about the bonuses. This is a drop shipping courses and is created by Dan De Silva. This course is taught by Dan De Silva. I will give you information and explain about all the modules given in this training, as well as explaining about the bonuses given by Blueprint. Let's get started. Here is what you get today when you join 100k Blueprint, 12-week proven system step by step, and community of high performance coaches value at $1997, world class support system in your member area value at $1997. This is a bonuses. This is my sales page and you can join this program by clicking on the red button here. Go to the link given below in the description of this video. If you have a drop shipping store and you sell the product in it, you don't need to keep inventory of this product. If the customer buys the product from you, you can buy this product from a third party. So you don't need to do inventory or branding. You just need to focus on one product. After you take the training, you have a specific software that grow the product and sell the product through it and gives you success. You can earn a lot of money from just one product selling in a single day using the website, and this way more. The more you can find that product, you can grow your business and earn more and more money. What is 100k Blueprint? The 100k Blueprint was developed as a 12-week drip-fed comprehensive e-commerce strategy. However, we are taking the current e-commerce model and redesigning it. This model has been responsible for millions of dollars generated for us just in 2019 month. As a matter of fact, let me just state this: taking a new asset from zero to a few thousand per month is an exceptionality easy with this new commerce business model. What makes this so much different is that there is no Amazon, wholesale, no inventory, no branding. The store that is created only has a one single product on it. Get instant access to 100k Blueprint by clicking on this red button. Yes, that is the magic, right? There is a part, of course, the devil is in the detail. This model was created by a few individuals who realized having a single product on a store increased the credibility and the earning potential by almost 300%. With rising ad cost, that means you can make money faster and without all the hassle of dealing with 100 or even thousands of SQS. This method has allowed many small startup store to go multinational, and some of this even getting massive order from the store, such as Macy's for thousands of unit. Again, this is still drop shipping, which is a crazy. I bet you have never heard of the drop shipping store selling their product to Macy's. We have figured it out and cracked the code. Let me make it clear: this is not what the product is about, it is just a benefit. Retail and big box stores will seek out your customers and ask them to drop ship for them. I have been following this model for over 2 years now, ensuring that is a stands the test of time, and with the new coronavirus and how it have become even cheaper, this means this is a perfect opportunity once again for everyone to start earning. This is just one single store we ran and we were able to scale to 15k dollar in a day by day. We will share everything live. We will share to store the result. We have been able to achieve everything. You click on the red button and get instant access to 100k blueprint. Here how the 100k blueprint works. The first step formula that can have a complete beginning up and running with their own e-commerce business in a few days. I will be teaching you how to build and scale a real drop shipping business following this four step formula. You look at this. Step 1, proper PRF, also known as the profitable research formula, using our strategy to find a proven niche. And step 2, asset creation, build your store in under 17 minutes flat without any teach skill. And a third step, growth, grow your store using our simple 6-figure advertising strategy to rapidly generate sales. And step number 4, rinse and repeat, build multiple business generating you cash day in day out. You click on this red button and get instant access to 100k blueprint. How does this system work? We find a product that fits our three-phase criteria. We have a tool to find this product as well as second, we create a simple website with this single product. This website we have created a tool that upload a custom theme and set up the highest converting store possible and take roughly 5 minutes from a start to finish. And third, we then have someone create a simple little listing for us. We pay $20 for a studio quality production and we'll share these ads and what they look like live. And for we run a $1.5 listing that work like crazy following our blitz bomb method used all over the industry now. And we send high quality buyer traffic to the store and start seeing which $1.5 listing are performing the best. We then go ahead and copy and paste the same listing and add $5 to it so it can triple it our earning. After that, we look to broker deal with USA supplier for faster shipping. We have a source your customers will be able to have a direct connection with, but we have an entire software that speeds our product to your customers with ease. Lastly, we are going to scale and keep finding more and more product that we can build these stores out with. We are going to accumulate a portfolio of the store that we can keep collecting daily income like rent, and they grow to $100, $300, $500, $1,000 per day. And they are extremely easy to build with our software. As I said before, the devil is in the detail, but there is the basic overview and how the process works. You customer are going to receive the following: 1 to 12 week drip fed training, proven training, followed by our 800 plus students. Second, profit machine 3.0 software supplied and store creator extremely unique and never seen before. 3 to 6 week private group coaching calls. And 4, try funnel lifetime access, create a funnel directly inside of your e-commerce store to increase your average order value. 5, number, incredible support and coaching. We have myself and our trained coaches. The reason why it took us 2 years to launch is because I had to find coaches that were willing to support the community and help. Coach Mario, who quit his job after joining 100k Blueprint back in 2016, went on to earn our $1 million and now coaches other 100k blueprint student while we focus on finding groundbreaking new strategy. Again, I want to make it very known here, the system we have developed has been responsible for millions of dollars generated in our business, and your customer are going to get the same exact business and strategy. Here's the long and short of, and we know this, the more money your customer make, the more they are going to keep buying from your recommendation. So it is in our best interest to take care of customers and give them something that works so you can remain a long-term partner of ours and we can have a long-term partnership as well as simple deal. You click on this red button and get instant access to 100k blueprint. 100k blueprint intro video. You click on this button and watch it. Get instant access to 100k blueprint. You can access all of the following for free. Free book, the secret 4-step system we used to make 4,20,161 in 32 days. only selling one single product with a top secret traffic sources. Uh, you click on this blue button and get instant access to free book. Second, the roadmap. The secret is out. The three-step system our beta tester used, 4,20,161 in 32 days using the secret underground e-commerce loophole, and you get it. You click on this button, get instant access to the roadmap. Third, the six-figure master plan, free case study, how we built 4,20,161 dollar business in 32 days with an underground loophole. You click on this button, get access now. And fourth, 100K blueprint master. You look at the live training workshop will take place in Thursday. Amount of request we have been receiving for this training has been immense, so we have decided to break it into the 4 sessions to ensure that everyone has a chance to make it live. Choose your preferred time below and register for your training workshop right now. You will be taken to a new pages, so you don't close out of this one and lose your download. Option 1, option 2, get access now. Click on this button and get access now. Click on this red button and get instant access to 100K blueprint. You are given a 12-week course, and here in this first week all this topic will be covered in a first week. You covered this topic, navigating the members area, and these videos are given and its length is 3 minutes 23 seconds. Other topic is what is new in the e-commerce space, buyer mindset, and how to tap into it. Not so mumbo jumbo videos, don't skip the core fundamental. Try live research, why research is important, why try level 100K product research, cross the referencing research, early order research, niche with generic store example, niche store example, understanding a healthy niche, understanding the upsells, health niche know-how, what is a drop shipping, free plus shipping, starting my store walkthrough, I product one product store, and three their purpose, personal mentorship, access me whenever, and bonus 6-figure secret interview, a bonus workshop, retargeting platform, and week number 236 training module, 100K quick start to sell, what is e-commerce, drop shipping explain part 1, drop shipping explain 2 and 3, why focus on e-commerce platform you can use, Shopify pros and cons, WooCommerce pros and cons, setting up your store walkthrough, domain and setup, Facebook pixel, Google Analytics, theme and best performance, and payment preference, product and learning about a product, overload live demonstration of order fulfill collection, Shopify discount, scarcity app, product review, cart abandonment, and Clavio upsell app, and perfect layout for store, creating powerful description, what creating gifts for increased conversation, creating comments, and 150 $K in-house fulfilled part 1 2, add role install, shipping setting, live chat application, knowing Stripe prohibited business, protecting your winning product, and week 3 total 44 training module overview, starting with influence, setting up your Instagram page, making viral Instagram ads pages to target using the micro influence creative content for your favor to create your content, daily budgets per day, CBO breakdown, CBO how to set demos, super broad targeting, generic product, live creating the targeting, and creating video ad, creating a video ad live, Shopify native redirecting, my new 2019 ad strategy revealed, ad event, biz manager register, biz manager workflow, Shopify pixel install, targeting explained, niche down targeting audience, broad targeting, mobile v desktop, and 20% rule with AI flex targeting live, flex targeting explained, scaling based for beginning scaling cheat sheets, selling video objective, list custom audience, custom by link, custom by engagement, funnel video, walk through traditional ad process, trinket, which system to use, ad copy technique, ad design, ad reporting, creating pages, linking with account, retargeting pixel, lookalike audience, retargeting video viewers, and strategy. Week number 4, scaling la part 1 2, horizontal scaling, vertical scaling la intro, creating la my tracking on LAA, 20% scaling rule, live example automatic and manual campaigning, scaling case study, and frequency. D. Week number 5, new influence modern consumer mindset with influencer product pricing for influencer, backending for higher profit, 100K interview, Anthony Masterlon, contacting the influencer, dynamic influencer, proper IG funnel, the perfect IG ad, hack forum, secret location IG tracking, and don't let them do this. Week number 6, ClickFunnels A to Z training module 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, the try funnel update. And week number 7 12 training module, hiring a project manager, where to hire, task to assign, content writer, fulfillment job, custom support, intercom, fresh deck, contact form, hire angle, Trello. Week number 8, manual bidding strategy, 100K BP step by step out, comment automation plus auto reply strategy, PP strategy, advanced retargeting method, custom audience with URL plus creating retargeting campaigning, hook funnel for free product, 10-day email series. And week number 9, 100K BP set by step by step outline and post sales sequence, Klaviyo custom audience, and send land to Shopify, 10-day email series. And week number 10, Bing part 1, linking your Bing and Shopify, adding product to Bing, what are product ad auctions, uploading product to your store, and a premium pricing strategy, how to increase the price and make more sales, pricing rule and strategy, and top 3 way to make sell final, and defining your one. And week number 12, workshop 1, creating my store plus support structure, influencer, FB ad strategy, FB ad and research, and congruent upsells. If you can join this program by clicking on the link given in description below this video, joining this program will teach you lot. And we look at this, our 100K blueprint for 4.0 members get special access to our secret software that find a highly profitable and converting product for you. Not only that, but the software even upload the product for you. All you have to do is take the file the software gives to you. Here how simple it is to use the Profit Machine software. Step 1, use the Profit Machine to hand you high converting and super profit product. Step 2, let Profit Machine give you all the crucial and vital information for your newfound high converting product. And step number 3, you will even have the perfect targeting information for your new product, so all you have to do is upload and profit. And step number 4, lastly, you can import this product right from Profit Machine to your own website with easy, letting nothing hold you back whatsoever. Now we want to know about the bonuses you have been given. All these bonuses here, and you can learn all these things in these bonuses, and you will get to learn all these things at a nominal. See, the bonus number 1, untouchable ads vault value 1997, 20 done for you ads with precise Facebook targeting, and 100K a blueprint member only. Ad creative with unlimited right to them, upload and profit from this proven ad. Bonus number Profit Machine is value is $2,995. You get instant access to the world's best product research tool that find extremely profitable and high converting product in second. Bonus number 3, dropshipping power hours. The price is $979. You exclusive invite to the 100K blueprint and 10-week live coaching calls that are recorded and put inside the member area for you to access at the in given time. Bonus number 4, mentorship private access. The value $1,997 per year, a direct email access, and then this Silva and the other 100K blueprint coach is to have any of your question answer. Bonus number 5 ads mastery value for $197 live case study of highly profitable ads, the before, the doing, and the after. A bonus number 6 email JD value 297. You will learn how to generate 200% more profit from your efforts with a simple email never seen before. So if the price of that bonuses is 13,253, today you can get instant access for, you will get a single payment of 1997 dollars and 4 monthly payment of $597. So start today with only $597 and start today with only 1997, and 60-day money back policy. We completely understand that not everyone want to continue with this business. Sometimes life get in the way, other times some people just flat out give up. So whatever the reason is, they want to make it simple for anyone, get their money back in the timely manner. So we decided to offer you a unconditional money back policy. You see, we are so sure you will love this courses that willing to put out money our mouth it. You can test drive these courses and get your money back within 72 hours. The best part is, since we have world class support, you earn money we send right back in 3 to 4 hours. Join 100K blueprint. You can join this program by clicking on the link given in the description below this video. Joining this program, we teach you this program is a great if you want to start something new and earn money, because using this program you will get a very good return. This training program is a newly updated, so this training program is a very valuable. It has a new techniques and new tips that you can learn that will make your business very profitable quickly. The faster you use this trick and tips, the faster you will be able to earn a lot of money. This training program will be very helpful if you want to earn a lot of money. If you are interested in this program and want to learn more, I provide a link below the description that you can access this program by clicking. I also give you the link below a book live training which you can also see in the description. You click on this red button, get instant access to 100K blueprint. Thanks. Thank you for your valuable time watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, and also you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends if you like this video. Thank you.